The power to manifest the life you desire has always been inside you. It's not about waiting for the perfect moment, it's about tapping into the energy that's already within you. Whether you're seeking abundance, love, or peace, you have the ability to attract it. Let's explore how to begin manifesting today and unlock what's meant to be yours. The first step in manifesting your desires is realizing that the power has always been inside of you. We often think we need to wait for the right moment or for external circumstances to align before we can create the life we want. True manifestation starts from within. It's the energy you radiate, the thoughts you align with, and the intentions you set. Understanding that you're the one who can bring about change shifts your perspective from waiting to creating. The reality is that energy is everywhere, including within you. The universe doesn't discriminate, it responds to your frequency, your energy. By recognizing that your thoughts and emotions shape your reality, you become the architect of your own destiny. This realization is the foundation of powerful manifestation, knowing that you already have what it takes to create the life you desire. As you continue to accept this idea, you'll find that it becomes easier to manifest your goals and desires. The more you align your energy with positivity, gratitude, and abundance, the more you'll attract those things into your life. You're not waiting for permission, you're claiming your power. Visualization is one of the most powerful tools you can use when manifesting your desires. The mind doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you visualize your desired outcome, whether it's a new career, a loving relationship, or financial freedom, your brain begins to believe it's already yours. This strengthens your intention and sends a clear signal to the universe. When you picture yourself living the life you want, you start to feel the emotions associated with those experiences. These feelings act as a magnet, drawing your desires closer. Your emotions, when aligned with your thoughts, create a strong frequency that the universe cannot ignore. It's like sending out a cosmic invitation, and the universe responds accordingly. To make visualization even more effective, try to engage all of your senses. Imagine what it feels like, sounds like, smells like, and even tastes like. The more real and detailed your visualization, the stronger its power. Consistent practice will not only enhance your manifestation skills but also increase your belief in your ability to create the life you want. Setting clear intentions is the next crucial step in manifestation. Many people fail to manifest their desires because they are unclear or unsure of what they really want. Manifestation requires a specific target. If your intention is vague or unfocused, the universe will have a hard time responding to it. To set clear intentions, take some time to reflect on what truly matters to you. What do you want to bring into your life? What will bring you the most joy, peace, or fulfillment? Once you've identified your desires, write them down. This act of writing makes them real and tangible. It also serves as a constant reminder of your goals. Your intention should be free from doubt or fear. The universe responds to belief and trust. If you are not fully confident in what you're asking for, it sends mixed signals. So, when you set your intention, do so with certainty and faith. Believe that it's already on its way, and that confidence will attract the energy needed to bring it into your life. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in the manifestation process. If you constantly think negatively, doubt your abilities, or expect failure, then your manifestations will reflect those thoughts. Manifestation thrives on positivity. When you maintain an optimistic outlook and expect success, you align yourself with the energy that attracts abundance, love, and success. A positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring challenges or pretending that everything is perfect, it's about choosing to focus on the good. When setbacks arise, focus on the lessons and opportunities they bring. The more you practice this mindset shift, the more natural it will become. You'll begin to notice opportunities and possibilities that you may have previously overlooked. A great way to cultivate positivity is through gratitude. When you are grateful for what you already have, you open yourself to receiving more. Gratitude helps shift your focus from what you lack to what you already have, creating a magnetic force that attracts even more blessings into your life. One of the most challenging parts of manifestation is trusting the process. It's natural to want immediate results, but true manifestation requires patience and surrender. You must let go of the need to control every aspect of the journey and trust that the universe will bring your desires to you at the perfect time. Letting go doesn't mean giving up, it means releasing the anxiety and stress about how things will unfold. Trust that everything is working behind the scenes for your highest good, even if you can't see it yet. The moment you let go and stop obsessing over the outcome, you create the space for your desires to flow into your life effortlessly. When you let go, you also allow the universe to bring you what's best for you. Sometimes, what we think we want isn't what's truly aligned with our highest potential. By trusting the process, you give the universe the freedom to guide you to even better opportunities than you could have imagined. Manifestation is not just about thinking and visualizing, it's also about taking inspired action. Once you've set your intentions and started to focus on your desires, it's time to move towards them. Your actions should align with your intentions. This doesn't mean working yourself into exhaustion, but rather taking steps that feel inspired and aligned with your goals. If you're manifesting a new career, for example, it's not enough to just visualize the job, you also need to take action, such as applying for jobs, networking, or gaining the necessary skills. When your actions reflect your intentions, it sends a powerful message to the universe that you're serious about what you want. Taking aligned action also requires listening to your intuition. Often, the universe will guide you through subtle signs and feelings. Pay attention to those nudges, as they often lead you in the right direction. By following your inner guidance and taking inspired steps, you show the universe that you are ready to receive your manifestations. A vision board is an excellent tool to keep your goals in sight and maintain focus. This visual representation of your desires can help you stay motivated and inspired, reminding you daily of your goals and the life you're working towards. Whether it's a board filled with images, words, or symbols, a vision board allows you to physically see your intentions and keep them in your mind. The process of creating a vision board also deepens your connection to your desires. It forces you to get clear on what you want and what those goals look like. By placing it somewhere you'll see every day, you ensure that your goals are constantly on your mind, reinforcing the manifestation process. Each time you look at your vision board, feel the emotions as if your desires have already manifested. This helps anchor your emotions to the visual cues, further amplifying your manifesting power. The more you visualize your goals, the more you energize them into your reality. Limiting beliefs are the invisible barriers that prevent you from fully accepting your ability to manifest your desires. These beliefs often come from past experiences, societal conditioning, or fear. They tell you that you're not good enough, that you don't deserve success, or that it's too late to change your life. These beliefs act as blocks to your manifestations. The key to overcoming limiting beliefs is awareness. Start by identifying the beliefs that hold you back. Write them down and examine them. Where did they come from? Are they based on reality, or are they just stories you've told yourself? Once you identify these beliefs, challenge them. Replace them with empowering thoughts that support your desires. As you release these limiting beliefs, you open up space for new, empowering beliefs that align with your manifestations. The more you shift your mindset, the more easily your desires will flow into your life. Affirmations are powerful statements that help reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your desires. By repeating positive affirmations daily, you reinforce the belief that what you want is already on its way to you. Affirmations help shift your energy, boost your confidence, and eliminate negative self-talk. When creating affirmations, make sure they are in the present tense and focused on the positive outcome you want to manifest. For example, instead of saying, "I want a new job," say, "I am attracting my dream job right now." This helps you embody the feeling of already having what you want. Practice your affirmations daily, ideally in the morning and evening. The more you say them with belief and emotion, the more they will sink into your subconscious mind, helping you to manifest faster. Patience is essential in the manifestation process. While it's easy to become impatient or frustrated, especially when results don't appear immediately, it's important to recall that everything happens in perfect timing. Trust that your desires are being manifested, even if you can't see them yet. Gratitude is another key factor. By practicing gratitude, you're sending out a message of appreciation to the universe. This energy of thankfulness not only attracts more good things into your life, but it also reinforces the belief that your desires are already on their way. When you appreciate the small things, you make space for bigger manifestations to flow in. Manifestation is a journey, not a race. The more patient and grateful you are, the quicker your desires will appear. When you trust the timing of your life and show gratitude for what you already have, the universe will bring you more to be thankful for. Manifestation is a powerful tool that's available to you right now. The key is to believe in your own power, take aligned action, and trust that your desires are already on their way. By following the steps outlined above, you can begin to create the life you've always dreamed of, filled with abundance, love, peace, and fulfillment. The power to manifest is within you. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment or the right circumstances. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as your dreams come to life. If this video resonated with you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content on manifestation and creating the life you desire. Keep manifesting your dreams, and I'll see you in the next video.